Welcome to Tanu Science. In this video, we'll learn the answers from chapter 16 Plant and Animal Hormones. 1 mark answers. First part, choose the best answer or correct answer. First one, gibberellins cause elongation of dwarf plants. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2, the hormone which has positive effect on auxin. Option B is the right answer. Next, third one, which one of the following hormone is naturally not found in plants? 2,4-D. Fourth one, Avena coleoptile test was conducted by F.W. Wendt. Fifth one, to increase the sugar production in sugar canes, they are sprayed with gibberellins. So option C is the right answer. Sixth one, LH is segregated by anterior pituitary. Option C is the right answer. Seventh one, identify the exocrine gland is salivary gland. Option C is the right answer. Eighth one, which organ acts as both exocrine gland as well as endocrine gland? Pancreas. Ninth one, which one is referred as master gland? Pituitary gland. Option B is the right answer. Next we will see the fill in the blanks. First one, dash causes cell elongation, apical dominance and prevents abscission. Auxin. Second one, dash is a gaseous hormone involved in abscission of organs and acceleration of fruit ripening. Ethylene. Third one, dash causes stomatal closure. Abscisic acid. Fourth one, gibberellins induce stem elongation in dash plants. Rosette. Fifth one, the hormone which has negative effect on apical dominance is cytokinins. Cytokinins. Sixth one, calcium metabolism of the body is controlled by parathormone. Then seventh one, in the highlights of Langerhans beta cells secrete insulin. Eighth one, the growth and functions of thyroid gland is controlled by thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH, or you can write full form, thyroid stimulating hormone. Then ninth one, decreased secretion of thyroid hormones in the children leads to cretinism. Next, match the following: column 1, column 2 and column 3. First we'll match column 1 and 2. Auxin is coleoptile tip. Ethylene is fruits. Abscisic acid is chloroplast. Cytokinin is present in coconut milk. Gibberellins is Gibberella fusaricae. Next, match column 1 with column 3. Auxin is apical dominance. Ethylene is ripening. Abscisic acid is abscission. Cytokinin is cell division. Gibberellins is internodal elongation. Next, second, match the following. B, match the following hormones with their deficiency states. Thyroxine is simple goiter. Insulin, diabetes mellitus. Parathormone, parathormone is tetany. Growth hormone is acromegaly. ADH is diabetes insipidus. Next, we'll see the true or false. So, state whether true or false. If false, write the correct statement. So, first statement, a plant hormone concerned with stimulation of cell division and promotion of nutrient mobilization is cytokinin is true. Second one, gibberellins cause parthenocarphy in tomato. Second one also true. Third one, ethylene retards senescence of leaves, flowers and fruits. That is not retards, that is hastens. So hastens na விரைவுபடுத்துது. So that false. So rectified statement is instead of retards, we have to write hastens. Next, fourth one, exophthalmic goiter is due to the over secretion of thyroxine. This is true. Fifth one, pituitary gland is divided into 4 lobes. So this is false. Pituitary gland is divided into 2 lobes. Next, sixth one, estrogen is secreted by corpus luteum. This is false. Rectification, instead of the corpus luteum, we have to write Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle. Next, we will see the assertion and reason. So, in each of the following questions, a statement of assertion is given and a corresponding statement of reason is given just below it. Mark the correct statements. First assertion reason, application of cytokinin to marketed vegetables can keep them fresh for several days. Reason, cytokinins delay senescence of leaves and other organs by mobilization of nutrients. So assertion true, reason also true. Reason explains assertion. So that option A is the right answer. If both A and R true and R is correct explanation of A. So option A is suitable option for first one. Second one, assertion, pituitary gland is referred as master gland. Reason, it controls the functioning of other endocrine glands. So assertion true, reason also true. Reason explains assertion. For second one also option A is the correct one. Third one, assertion, diabetes mellitus increases the blood sugar levels. True. Reason, insulin decrease the blood sugar levels. True, but reason doesn't explain assertion. So if both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So option B is the right one for third one. Next, answer in a word or sentence. Which hormone promotes the production of male flowers in cucurbits? So which hormone means the first one is gibberellins. Gibberellins. Next, write the name of a synthetic auxin, that is 2,4-D, or simply we can write simply 2,4-D or 2,4-dichlorophenoxy acetic acid. Dichlorophenoxy acetic acid. Third one, which hormone induces parthenocarphy in tomatoes? Gibberellins. Fourth one, what is the hormone responsible for the secretion of milk in female after childbirth? Prolactin. Fifth one, name the hormones which regulates water and mineral metabolism in man. Mineralocorticoids, aldosterone. Sixth one, which hormone is secreted during emergency situation in man? Adrenaline and noradrenaline. Seventh one, which gland secretes digestive enzymes and hormones? Pancreas. Eighth one, name the endocrine glands associated with kidneys. Adrenal gland, parathyroid gland, posterior pituitary gland. Thank you, students.